Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your 37th lecture of English grammar. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Stay at home, stay safe. As we know that we had started lesson number 19 in our previous lecture and the name of the lesson is conjunctions. Let's see what will we learn here in this lecture today. First of all, we revise the previous knowledge. It means here in this topic we will revise all the topic which we had learnt in previous lecture. Then today we are going to learn about the more uses of the conjunctions as I told you in our previous lecture, that is uses of or with the examples, uses of because with the examples, and then we will do the exercise according to the uses which we are going to learn today. So let's start. As we know that what is conjunction, we learnt in our previous lecture. Have you remember? Let's focus on it briefly. A conjunction is a word which has a power to join the phrase, sentences or clauses. It means that conjunctions are used to join the sentences. The meaning of the word conjunction is con means together, junction means join. It means conjunction means to join together. That's why the conjunctions are also called joining words. Means which words are used to different sentences, phrases, clause, they are called the conjunctions. And which are they? Let's see the definition. Let's revise the definition of conjunction. Conjunction is the name of those common words that are used to join parts of the sentences. Conjunctions may be used to begin certain sentences. Or we can say that conjunctions means joining words, that is used for joining together sentences, words and group of words. It means that the words, particular words are used to join some part of the sentences, not a whole sentences, some part of whatever the common part of the sentence we will write first it, then we will join the sentence some part according to the rules, and they are called, which words we use to join them, they are called the conjunctions. So in short we can say that conjunctions are the joining words and we remember them as a joining words, so it will be easy for us to identify and define, just understand the meaning of the conjunction. In this lesson, in this standard, we are going to learn about some conjunctions, and which are they? They are and, but, or and because. In our previous lecture, we already learnt about and but. Today, we are going to learn about or and because. So uses of and. As we learnt that in our previous lecture, and is used for similar ideas, similar options, related something in two sentences. At that time we use and. Let's see in which possibilities we use and how. First use of and is and can be used to join together two nouns. When there are two nouns in two sentences and we want to join them in a sentence, in one sentence, then how can we join them? Let's see. For example, I had pizza for dinner. I had pasta for dinner. Here, pasta and pizza are the noun. Here, if we want to join them in one sentence, we want to make them a sentence, then what can we do? Yes, we just pick out the common part of the sentence. Common part means whatever the words are commonly used in both sentence are called the common part of the sentence, which are I had for dinner is the common part of two sentences, right? And what are the different part? Pizza and pasta are the different nouns which are used in these two sentences. So what can we do to join them? We write I had, then write pizza as it is, then we want to join the another noun, so that's why we use and, then pasta, and then write the rest of the sentence means for dinner. So what will be our answer? I had pizza and pasta for dinner. This is the way we join the sentence when two nouns are there in two sentences and we want to join in them in a sentence. Second use of and is and can be used to join together two adjectives. As we know that adjectives are called the describing words. So let's see the example and revise it. She is sweet. She is hardworking. What are the adjectives in these sentences? Yes, sweet and hardworking are the adjectives in these two sentences. Then what can we do? Same pattern we will follow here. We will write the common part of this sentence. What is the common part? She is. So we will write once the common part she is, then write first adjective is sweet, then we use the conjunction means and then we will write the another adjective. So what will be our answer? She is sweet and hardworking is the answer. Understand? Let's see the next rule of and. Uses of and can be used joined together two verbs. What are the verbs? Verbs are called the action words. So let's see the example. I like to singing. I like to dancing. What are the verb in these two sentences? Singing and dancing are the verbs in these two sentences. Now what can we do? Yes, we will just pick out the common part of the sentence. And what is the common part of these two sentences? I like to. So we will write first I like to, then first verb, then conjunction, and then second verb. In this case we use and as a conjunction to join them, right? So what will be our answer? Our answer will be I like to singing and dancing. Understand? Let's move on. Next rule of uses and is and can be used joined together two adverbs. How, where, how we use and when there are two adverbs in two sentences and we want to join them and make a one sentence. Let's see the example and understand again. Write the compo neatly. Write the compo correctly. Now we understand that what are the adverbs in these two sentences? Yes, neatly and correctly. How is the action done? Neatly and correctly will be adverb of these sentences. Now what can we do to join them? Yes, we will first pick out the common part. Now just think about what is the common part of these two sentences. Just think about it. Yes, write the compo is the common part of these two sentences. So we will write the compo, then we will write the first adverb, then we will use conjunction. Which conjunction? And then the second adverb. So what will be the answer? Write the compo neatly and correctly. Understand? So this is the way we use and join two adverbs and make one sentence, right? Next rule is and can be used to join together two pronouns. Means what will, when two pronouns are there. Let's see the example and revise this rule. I went to school with him. I went to school with her. It means that I went to school with him and her, both, right? But here we have given two separate sentences. When we want to combine them, combine these two sentences, then what will we do? Yes, same pattern will be follow here. First of all, just pick out the pronoun. What are the pronouns in these two sentences? I. But I is the subject, so we will not combine I. But what are the another pronouns used in these two sentences? Him and her. So two pronouns, and they are the possessive pronouns, right? So what will we do? Yes, we will write first the common part of the sentence. What is the common part of these two sentences? I went to school, and then we will join first pronoun, then conjunction, and then second pronoun, which are given in the sentences. Let's see what will be the answer. I went to school with him and her. This is the way we combine the pronouns in one sentence, right? Let's move on. Next rule of uses and is and can be used to join together two phrases. As we know that, as I told you, that what are the phrases? Small sentences are called the phrases. Have you remembered the small sentences? Stand up, sit down, come here, go there, write fast, do fast. They are the phrases. So let's see how we use and to join two different phrases. Let's see the example and understand it. Go there, stand in a line. Two different phrases. Now what can we do? Here, nothing common part. Yes, not a common part in these two phrases. Then what can we do? We write the first phrase, then we will use the conjunction, then we will write the second phrase. In these phrases, when there is no common part, so we will do first phrase, we will write first phrase in answer, then we use and then write the second phrase, go there and stand in a line. Understand? This is the way we join two phrases with and. Next is and can be used join sentences by expressing similar ideas. What is the meaning of similar idea? Means related ideas. First is the fixed idea. If we have given two ideas are there. For example, I take a brush, I take a bath. But obviously, I take a brush first. It is my first action and then I go for the next action. So it is related to each other. After brushing my teeth, I will go for to take a bath. Understand? So it is connected with each other. So it is the similar ideas. Let's see the example. He packed his bag. He left for office. So what is the here related? First of all, what he does? Yes, he packed his bag. and then he go for the office. So whenever this type of situation in the sentences, then what can we do? We write the first sentence as it is. He packed his bag. Then we use the conjunction. What is the conjunction? And then we write the second sentence, or we cut the common part and write the rest of the sentence. Both way are correct. He packed his bag and left for office. It is the correct answer. But by mistake, if you have written he packed his bag and he left for office, it is little bit correct. You do not need to write he again because it is a common part of the sentence. So no need to write again. But in the initial stage, it will be okay. Let's move on. Now we will moving on the next conjunction, but. Uses of but. As we know that and is used for similar ideas, similarities, right? But is used for the contrast, means oppose. Let's see the example. My grandfather is old. Next sentence is he is fit. Here not a single common part of in this sentence, but we know that my grandfather is old, and in the next sentence we have given here he, means he represented my grandfather. We use he to avoid repetition the word my grandfather, right? So he is the pronoun referred to my grandfather. So we know that he is used for the grandfather. So what can we do? My grandfather. So we will not write he again in the answer. So we will cut it, right? Is also common. So we will also cut it. Then what will be the answer? My grandfather is old but fit. Generally, what will is happen that old people are not fit. They are little bit weak. But few cases in old people are fit. One of the case is my grandfather, and my grandfather is old but fit. So what will be our answer? My grandfather is old but fit. Old and fit shows the contrast. So that's why we use here but. Understand? Now we will move on the today's topic, and it is the conjunction. And the conjunction, today's the first topic is or. We use or to suggest an option between two choices. It is also used for an alternative expression of the words, clauses, phrase or sentences. So we can say that if we have given two options, two choices, two alternative expression, at that time we use or. And just remember that most of the or sentence in a interrogative form. So let's see the uses of or with the example and get better idea. Or is used to suggest a choice. As I told you, choice. If you have given two choices, so you have to select one of them, right? At that time we will use or. Let's see the example. Will you like tea is the first sentence, and second is will you take coffee. Here we have two choices, tea or coffee. What would you like to take? Then, if we want to join these two sentences, these two interrogative sentences together, then what can we do? We will write first common part, we will take, right? Will you take? We will write will you take commonly. Then two options, two choices are there, tea or coffee. Or shows us the option. Which one would you select between of them? It shows the option. Understand? Next is, do you want pen? Do you want pencil? Again two choices. Then what will you do? Yes, we will write the first common part. And what is the common part? Do you want? We will write do you want. Then first option, first choice. What is the first choice? Pen. Then we will write the conjunction. Which conjunction we use here? Or. Then the second choice, second option is pencil. So what will be our answer? Do you want pen or pencil? When you reply of this question, your answer will with a one choice. I want a pen. I want a pencil. I will like to take tea. I will like to take coffee. Understand? This is the way. Next rule is used to express alternate possibility. Alternate means this one or that one. Let's see the example and get better idea. My grandmother will come on Saturday is the first sentence. Second sentence is my grandmother will come on Sunday. So alternative, maybe on Saturday, maybe on Sunday. It is not fixed. If she will not come on Saturday, then she will come on Sunday. Not surety about it. Possibility, alternate possibility, either on Saturday or on Sunday. So what will our answer? Yes, in these cases we write first the common part of the sentence. My grandmother will come on is the common part of the sentence. So we will write first my grandmother will come on. And what are the two alternative situation? What are the two alternation? Yes, Saturday or Sunday will be the answer. My grandmother will come on Saturday or on Sunday. No need to write on again. I have mistake here. So don't do it. Okay. Next sentence is, do you want to paint? Do you want to sketch? Paint and sketch are the two alternate possibilities. Two alternate possibilities. Painting is different thing and sketch is the different thing. Then what will we do? Yes, we will write the first the common part. And what is the common part? Do you want to? And then we will write the two options, two alternate options, possibilities. Which is the two alternate possibility? Paint or sketch? Question mark. Then what will we do? Yes, we will write the common part of the sentence. Do you want to? Then first option and then or and then second option, second possibility. So what will your answer? Do you want to paint or to sketch? Question mark. Understand? Let's move on. These are the two uses of or. When two possibilities, different alternate possibilities or two choices are there, we use or. Now we are moving on the next conjunction is the because. When we use because, let's see. We use because to give reason for saying or doing something. When a sentence says that somebody has done something or something has happened and another gives reason for it or explain why, the two can be joined by using because. It means that whenever two sentences given, then first sentence will be show that the action is something is happened, but next sentence after we use because, we will show the reason for the action, why it is happening at that time. If two sentences are there, first sentence has a action and second sentence has a reason for this action, at that time we use because. Let's see how can we use because. Because is used to state a reason or cause. Cause means reason. Why? If we are asking any question with why, we definitely get the answer with because. Why was you absent yesterday? I was absent yesterday because I had fever. Understand? So this is the way we, whenever we ask the question with why, we use because in the answer. So because shows the reason for the particular sentence, right? Let's see the example. I ate the apple is the first, I was hungry is the second. So here just observe the two sentences. First show the action. What is the action? I ate the apple. Why? Why did I eat apple? Because I was hungry. Understand? So let's write the answer by using because to join to these two sentences. I ate the apple because I was hungry. Understand? So it shows the reason why did I ate the apple? Because I was hungry. Understand? Let's see the next example. He wears new clothes. Second is he is going in a birthday party. Here first sentence shows us that the action has done. Which actions? Wears a new clothes. Wears a new dress, new clothes, right? And the second action, what is the second sentence shows us? It shows us that the reason for wearing the new clothes. Why? Why does he wear a new clothes? Then what will your reply? He wears new clothes because he is going in a birthday party. Understand? So what will be our answer? Yes, he wears new clothes because he is going in a birthday party. Here no common part coming out from the sentences. We have to just two whole sentences by using because. Just remember, whenever you join the sentences with because, first after first sentence we have a full stop. Just look here, after clothes I have put here full stop, and the second sentence begin with a capital letter. But when we will join these two sentences together, then what can we will do? We remove first full stop of the first sentence and we will write the first letter of second sentence in a small letter. Just look at that. He wears new clothes because He is going in a birthday party. Just look here. After clothes, there is no full stop because we use because to join these two sentences, right? And we remove also the capital letter of second sentence, first letter of second sentence. What is the first letter of second sentence? H of he. We also write it in a small letter. You have to remember this rule, otherwise your marks will be cut in the exam. So follow this rule. Now according to this rule which we have learnt of or, two rules of or and one rule of because, let's do the exercise separately. Join the sentences with or. Let's start. Let's see what is the first sentence. Is this bag yours? Second one is this bag hers? Now what can we do to join with? What is the heading? Join the sentences with or. So we have an idea that we will join the sentence. We use the conjunction or. Only or conjunction here, right? Then what can we do? Yes. We will just pick out the common part. Is this bag, right? Is this bag? Then yours or hers will be the answer, and then put question mark. Understand? Let's move on the next sentence. Would you like a parrot for a pet? Would you like a cat for a pet? Now here you have two options, two choices. Then what will you do? Yes, we will just pick out the common part. Would you like a, right? Then what can we do? Would you like a parrot or a cat for a pet? Will be the answer. Would you like a parrot or a cat for a pet? Understand? Whenever you join this type of sentences, just pick out the common part. Don't change the place of the particular choices. We no need to change the particular choices, means parrot. No change the position of parrot and cat. Whenever the parrot word come in the sentence, after then we use the conjunction and then use the next option of parrot and then write the rest of the sentence with the punctuation mark. Okay. Let's see the next sentence. Did you meet her in Mumbai? Did you meet her in Chennai? Two options. Alternative situations. Where? Where will you meet her? Where do you meet her? So, the answer will be did you meet her is the common, in also in the common. Did you meet her in Mumbai or Chennai? Then you will reply, I met her in Mumbai. I met her in Chennai. It is two choices, two options are there, alternate are there, Mumbai or Chennai. Understand? So this is the way we can join the sentences with or. We will move on the next exercise. Join the sentences with because. First sentence is Anil has gone to rest. He is very tired. Here two sentences are here. First shows us that Anil is a boy who gone for the rest. Why? The action is done is resting. Why? Because he is very tired. Then what will our answer? Anil has gone to rest because he is very tired. But just remember that, just remove the full stop of the first sentence. Write the first letter of second sentence is in a small letter while using because. So just observe the answer. Anil has gone to rest. Don't write full stop. Just use because. Write first letter of second sentence means he, H of he is very tired in a small. Write he of the second sentence in a small letter. Right? Let's move on to the next sentence. Shalini bought a packet of juice. It shows the action buying a packet of juice, and she was very thirsty. In the second sentence, it will be the reason of the buying the packet of juice. Why Shalini? Why did Shalini buy a packet of juice? She bought a packet of juice because she was very thirsty. Understand? So what will be the answer? Shalini bought a packet of juice because she was very thirsty. Don't remember to remove punctuation and changes in a second sentence. Otherwise, your marks will be cut in the exam. I am repeating again. While you use because in the sentence to join them, just focus while you completing the first sentence. Do not put full stop. Use only because, and after because you write the second sentence whatever the given in the question, but start the second sentence with the small letter because it is the after word. It is the word after because. It is no the it remove the while we remove the full stop, it shows us the sentence is continue. Don't forget it. He got good marks. He studied hard. First, in a first sentence, it shows that he got good marks. Means action is done. Getting good marks. Why? He studied hard. Because he studied hard. Understand? So what will be the answer? Just think about it. Yes. I know now you are able to join the sentence with because, but just remember the punctuation corrections. He got good marks because he studied hard. So this is the way you use all the punctuation, all the conjunctions in different sentences with the given rules. And I hope you have learnt all the conjunctions and all the uses of the conjunctions properly. Thank you. Have a great day.